Hello everyone, my name is Camille. I'm the owner of Morpho Soaps. Thank you very much for joining me with this soap making video this week. So today's soap making is gonna be the making of Rainbow Soap by Morpho Soaps. And this is the last soap for the month of April. So with that, we are closing the month of April and coming next week maybe with new ideas. I'll keep it as a surprise. I'm not gonna mention anything, but the May soap release is gonna be a little bit exciting. So today's soap, as I mentioned, Rainbow Soap by Morpho Soaps. It's a very simple layered soap. So for this one, I use the 6 colors. We start with the purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. The only one that was a neon color is the orange, because I find the neon adds to the soap a very nice touch and brightness. And all of the layers are colored and they came out really perfect. And the fragrance used for this one is called Jade. It smells really amazing. I'll put the description in the box. You can read about it. So the soap smells amazing, looks nice, bright, colorful, and it's very cheerful to use. So ladies and gentlemen, today we have the Rainbow Soap by Morpho Soaps. I really hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, give us a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe and prepare yourself for next week. We have a new release for the month of May. Until then, stay safe, stay well, and see you soon. Take care of yourselves. Enjoy yourself.